Let's return, in fact, with more developments tracked from the national capital, where the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta led BJP government in Delhi will unveil a 100-day report card on the May 31st, detailing its big achievements and the initiatives since taking on to the office on the 20th of the February. Arzu Seth is joining me with more details. Arzu, now Rekha Gupta is going to bring up the 100-day report, which is in fact as always been at the focus from the BJP government. But in national capital, after breaking the 15-year-long period, now the BJP has made a comeback, and the 100-day report is going to focus on the kind of achievements that the BJP government in the national capital has achieved. What are you picking up in this regard?
Well, definitely, Simran, this is going to be very important press conference in which the Delhi CM Rekha Gupta is going to present the report card, the 100-day report card of the BJP government in national capital. And as we also know, BJP has returned to Delhi after 27 years, and this seems to be very important because in this 100-day report card, the government will present the achievements of the and the initiative being taken by the Delhi government. In fact, we talk about the fee regulation bill that was brought by the Delhi Education Department, or the work that has been done in the cleaning of the Yamuna River, or the allocation of the budget in different sectors, because this time budget has also increased in Delhi, and also the allocation of the budget as the education budget has increased. In fact, the total budget, if we saw in the national capital, it has increased to 1 lakh crore. So it's a huge budget that has been presented this year. So all those achievements, the initiative that has been taken by the Delhi government will be presented to government. Also, this event will also focus on the 11-year achievement of the central government, also a 3-year good governance by the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena, and also the 100-day report card, the 100-day work that has been done by the Delhi government, and what will be the future plan, and how, at what pace the Delhi is moving forward. So this is going to be very important as far as the Delhi development is concerned. And also we'll see some remark over the previous government also, because what the Rekha Gupta has to say, that this government of Bharatiya Janata Party is working 24/7 for the development of the people living in Delhi. So this is going to be very important event on 31st May, when the report card of the 100-day of the BJP government in Delhi will be presented. Yes, Simran.